this money to be made, wanna be paid, or could I not? All this money to be made, wanna be paid, or could I stop? All this money to be made, wanna be paid, or could I watch? All this money to be made, I'm making plays, I'm on the clock. Yeah, I'm making plays, I'm on the clock.
This right here is the #1 reason why we come RA shopping at Home Depot. Look how happy them kids are right there. You guys might have seen a lot of my videos, but I go to a lot of the same stores and stuff week after week. But it's really different locations. One week it's this town, the next week it's another town. Sometimes I just do it to switch it up. Sometimes I do a little research of in-store prices on some stuff. And then, you know, the rest of the stores are just nearby, so I just go to them as I see them. I just try to do an abbreviated walkthrough the best I can when I go to a lot of stores, because kids get restless, the wife gets restless, and there's a lot of stores I try to get through to higher my chances of getting, you know, some really good finds. So every time I film, I swear I don't find anything at Home Depot. Got small boxes for 90 cents. I'm gonna get a couple of these, even though Walmart's probably cheaper. My Walmart hasn't been having boxes. They've been literally sold out. So I will grab a couple of these. So this is Target, at least my local Target, or one of them I should say. They like hiding the clearance all over the place. It's like a secret society of where it is. I should have got these for myself, but I'm cheap. I didn't want to spend any money on some stuff I would never play. Well, I can't play with, I should say. It would just look cool, and that's my favorite name, Clarence. That Boxer thing was $80 last year, down to $23 right now. Just have a crazy dice game. And it's going for about the same on Amazon, so that's a loser. That's pretty cool. The box is banged up though. Yeah, I'll check eBay. $16, ain't nothing. Thomas and Friends. High rank. Not super high, but nothing for me. Remember these from last year. I bought one after Christmas. I think I was lucky to get my money back. I was like one of the few purchases that I think I was lucky to get just break even. So I just wanted it out of my inventory. What? How much is this? It's a unicorn dragon. Where the money's at, huh? Oh, nice. So I'll check this out. We'll see what the price is. From what it says on Amazon. Sounds like 32. Wait a second. What I see on this is, it says the doggy. But on the main page, Unicorn Dragon.
Now next Argon sleeps in that.
There's both of them. Let's see what these scan for, because that might be a score for sure. They're going for, one's going for 50 and one's going for 32. So I mean, probably like $5, $10. That's a win all day. Oh, 50% off.
Holy shnikes.
Oh, hello. How are you? Check out this Mega Man cannon. This is awesome. $7? What? We found out this is about to be a home run. Can't find it.
A few moments later.
So we're leaving Target now. We spent a total of $227. Mostly all that is for fourth quarter. And man, if you got a Target in your area, check it out, because they had aisles of clearance stuff. Stuff that's you know, very cool. You know, some's gonna be on eBay, some's gonna be on Amazon. I might show some of the stuff whenever we get home, but as you can see, we got a nice haul. And all my kids are starting to get cranky.